And I think his name Chico is like cheeky, and he'll end up being cheeky. Whereas you name him Prince Charming, what's he found? Is that a cobweb? No, it can't be, because I just washed it. Oh, well, if it's a spider, you look at it, eh, pal? Well done. Because Karen will have heart attacks. Yes, hiya. I'm not going to force you. Where's that? That spider's up there. I suppose I could do another scrub. I don't think it's some grub. Yay. Yeah, we don't grub. It's hard stuff, eh? Because I've got your other snack for 10ish. And this is your mad hour. And then you can go to your bed. Yeah. Like a nice little kitten. He gets soft food. He only gets this now and again, the hard stuff. The hard stuff for a kitten. Usually I use it for like getting him to jump over the boxes and that, but he's doing a fair old job himself. This is great fun. Piper might be a bit jealous because I've still not got they two talking yet. Even though she wags her tail and all that when she sees him, like she lured him into a false sense of security the other day there. Wagged her tail and all that, and then when he got close she went to go and nip him. But I don't know if it's like a mother's nip to her pups. I'm just too scared to take a chance. I get too anxious. Too worried in case he gets hurt. Beautiful, eh? Beautiful face. Yeah. You got a hop in the box? Yes. All the toys in the world, and he prefers toilet rolls and boxes. And chewing his fishing pole thing. Usually doesn't get the other end of it, but I suppose he gets teething as well, eh, like everything else. Like all babies, teething. And the shadows, he loves the shadows. Next week he'll be gone for his first jag and all that. And I don't know what age he might get a cat neutered at. But obviously I want to do that before he starts spraying or anything like that. Oh well, at least he's cleaning himself. Especially after eating. You've got a pink moose and you should see him with this moose. He loves it. Hey pal. Hey, there it's there. Hey, your moose. Your wee moose, eh? He gave me the name. Are you gorgeous? He's a gorgeous wee man. Oh, he's off.